delicious cookies. This is made from zucchini. Look at that. Wow, if you want to know how to make it, let's make it now, guys. Hello everyone, welcome sa aking home cooking. For today's video, guys, we will make a zucchini cookies. Ayan, so ito yung aking mga ingredients for the day. So ito yung zucchini na tinatawag, guys. Ayan, so mahaba, diba? Ayan, yellow siya. Ngayon, hindi ko na yan gagawin kasi mayroon na akong nag-rated na eto. So this is 9 cups. So what we're going to do now is mix natin yung ating wet ingredients. Alright. So we have our 3 cups of fresh milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 227 milligrams of butter. May mix lang natin siya, guys. We will add 4 cups of sugar. 1/2 yung brown and 2 and 1/2 yung white. So mix again. So we will add 3 tablespoons of crunchy almonds butter. Ayan. We will add 4 tablespoons of olive oil, guys. Kailangan natin mag-add ng olive oil. Alright. Now next, we will add 9 cups of grated zucchini. Ayan, that is very healthy, guys. Kasi that is a lot of benefits in our health. So, dami kong mga ingredients na nilagay sa aking. Makikita nyo naman, guys, sa aking cookies today. So now, guys, we need to add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We will add 425 of rice. We will add 3 cups of oatmeal. That is oatmeal. Next, we will add 8 cups of flour. So, slowly lang natin, guys. I-mix natin siya. Alright, guys. So, this is ready for baking. So, we will get our baking plate. So, we will start putting that baking plate now. So, we also put our ready to our oven. So I put in 350 Fahrenheit and we will cook this for 12 minutes in every plate. Okay, so this is the consistency that I need and the size that I want. So we will start now. Alright, so this is ready to oven, guys. Okay, so i-open na natin siya ng 12 minutes. Babalikan natin siya ng after 12 minutes. And then now, we have our second batch. After 12 minutes, guys, ito na ang result ng ating zucchini cookies, guys. Wow. So, ikukuling na natin siya sa lalagyan para magamit naman natin yung ating next na plate para sa ating baking. Alright. Alright, after 12 minutes, guys, ito na siya. Ayan. Wow. tikiman portion na yun, yung pinakamasarap pagdating ng ating cooking, guys. Ayan, oh, as you can see. Masarap para sa kape. Wow, delicious. May natutunan na naman kayo sa akin, guys. And don't forget to follow my page and share this video para madaming makakaalam. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. Alright, may natutunan na naman kayo sa akin. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And don't forget to follow my page. Bye! Oh my God.